Hi, everyone. Welcome to Chachi Tech, your go-to channel for all things tech. Is your computer running slower than you'd like? Don't worry, you're not alone. A slow computer can be incredibly frustrating, whether you're trying to get work done or simply browse online. In today's video, I'll show you how to speed up your computer with some easy tips that anyone can follow. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your computer faster and more efficient. Let's dive in. Step 1. Clean up startup programs. One of the most common reasons your computer might feel sluggish is too many programs launching at startup. These programs use memory and slow down your computer before you even begin working. Here's how to fix that. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl-Shift-S key to open the Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and you'll see a list of programs. Disable the ones you don't need by right-clicking and selecting Disable. This simple step can make a big difference in how quickly your computer boots up. Step 2. Uninstall unnecessary software. Over time, we all install programs that we don't really use. These take up space and sometimes run background processes that slow down your computer. Here's how to clean them up. On Windows, go to the Control panel, then Programs, uninstall a program. Look through the list and uninstall anything you don't use. Just select the program and click Uninstall. Be careful not to uninstall programs you actually need. Focus on software that's large and unused. Step 3. Optimize your storage. Low storage space can slow your computer down significantly. Let's fix that by cleaning up your files and freeing up space. On Windows, use the Disk Cleanup tool. Just search for it in the Start menu, select your drive, and delete temporary files and other unnecessary items. You can also move large files like photos and videos to an external hard drive or cloud storage to free up space. Step 4. Update software and drivers. Keeping your computer updated is essential for smooth performance. Updates fix bugs, improve speed, and keep your system secure. On Windows, go to Settings, Update and Security. Check for updates and install them. If you're using external hardware like printers or graphic cards, updating drivers can also make a difference. On Windows, you can update drivers through the Device Manager. Step 5. Upgrade hardware, if needed. If you've tried everything and your computer is still slow, it might be time for a hardware upgrade. Adding more RAM is one of the easiest ways to boost performance. More RAM allows your computer to handle more tasks at once. Replacing your hard drive with an SSD can dramatically improve boot times and file access speeds. SSDs are faster, more reliable, and energy efficient compared to traditional hard drives. Both upgrades are affordable and can extend the life of your computer. Conclusion. And that's it. These are some of the best ways to speed up your computer. Whether it's managing startup programs, uninstalling unused software, cleaning up storage, or upgrading your hardware, these tips are straightforward and effective. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe to Chachi Tech for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.